hey, look at me. Hey, this is Wesley $1 billion version. What if it was possible? Think for a second. If someone could create your website, your Facebook ads, your pixels, and everything, and you open up your account and you had your first sale without doing nothing. What if you don't know it? You know what? I didn't want to do this because I know marketers going to be pissed off. I've made like $40 million, and this young lady, she's at 60 grand a month. And let me show you what she did. Go ahead, tell her.
Hello, everybody. My name is Ariella, and I am the Done For You girl.
Let's go.
That's right. I do the work for you. Picture waking up and making money. Have you ever wanted to do something so fast? Well, this is it. It's like it's almost freaking guaranteed. Why? Because I do the work for you.
Let's go.
You don't have to worry about nothing. Like myself, we don't worry about nothing. We're in Thailand living our best life. This is my business partner, and you too can be traveling the world with us. We're holding masterminds showing everyone how to do my program, the Done For You services, but better yet, I do it for you. Click the button below, baby. Let's go.